Hello everybody, let's do the step 1 of installing the UniExpo app. So the first step to do is in fact to check if our environment is set up correctly. And to do that we should run node version, npm version and git version. So I will copy these three and I will open a command line, a terminal, or so yeah, node version is 9.3.0, the git version and the npm version and git version. So I will also run npm version. Yeah, and this is the npm version. So we have everything installed, and the next step according to the documentation is to install Expo following these guidelines. So all you have to do is download the Expo ID XD, and as soon as you install it, you should have something like this. You should log in with your username, create it's free to use, and after we have Expo there, the next thing to do is to download the actual source code. I have downloaded on my desktop, so I will extract it. Okay, let me show you how it's on the desktop. Okay, and here. Okay, so we have this folder, and in this folder we have the admin panel, the demo data, which is this is the app demo data, the link to the documentations, the mobile app, this is what we need so far, and some additional scripts that we need for some apps. And I will extract the mobile app folder. So I will have this folder, I will rename it to UniExpo, and I can put everywhere since it doesn't depend really where it's located. And I have this folder now, so what I will do is open in iterm or any command line, and according to the documentation all I have to do is npm install. So I will do that. So just to check where I am, yeah, package.json is here, that's the important one, and I will run node an npm install, and the install takes 5 to 10 minutes, so I will pause the video and continue later on. Okay, after a few minutes everything is installed, all the modules that we need, and as you can see now in the folder we have the node modules folder. So this is all the node modules that npm should install, and right after that, according to the documentation, you need to open the existing project from Expo, and I will do just that. So my project is on desktop, and I will open it. The name is UniApp, you can rename it. Yeah, that will be smart thing to do. So all the configuration regarding the name of the Expo, and it's here in app.json, and you can rename it with your name, change the icon, the description, the slug, and yeah, those are the things, and you can override the icon. Okay, and after we had the project there, it's online, so you can play with these things. And the next thing is to preview on device. For development I will suggest host, then use localhost, so this run locally only and not publicly accessible. Okay, so and I think it's faster. Open an iOS simulator, this should start your iOS simulator, or connect your device and preview an Android device directly. Okay, and as soon as the app starts, we should see a blank information screen page of the app, just to confirm that Expo and all the modules are running correctly. So now the JavaScript bundle is building. So this builds all the node projects, and the first time takes a while, but the rest of the while you're in development, it's quite fast. Okay, it's 80%. Here is your log console. This is the build console, so any build error you will see here, any system error by the app logic will be displayed here. And yeah, here is our app. This is information screen, like I said, that you need to do additional configuration in order to make the app. But with this, we are finalizing the first step of the installation of the app, and that's installing all the modules and open the project in Expo. Thanks for watching.